Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorial. In this session we are going to learn Python dictionaries. So dictionary is an unordered collection of items. So basically dictionary contains a group of items. Item has a key and corresponding value which is going to be represented as key colon value. Hence dictionary has a key colon value as a pair that we call as an item. So dictionary basically contains the group of items. So in this session we are going to learn different operations we are going to perform on the dictionaries. So let us go ahead and start. So first let us create the dictionary. In order to create a dictionary, the syntax is going to be open parenthesis and close parenthesis. This is the empty this is an empty dictionary. If you want to provide a values, then let us see, this is an empty dictionary. If I print the dict1, it is going to be the empty. So now I can add an elements in the form of key and value. For example, 1 1, this is a one item. 2 2, this is the second item. 3 and 3, so this is the third item. Now if I print this dictionary, you will see 1 colon 1, 2 colon 2, 3 colon 3. So each key value we are considering as a one item. So dictionary basically contains a group of items which are unordered. So they may not be in the same sequence how you are added to the dictionary. So in order to, first we have seen how we can create a dictionary, and second way how we can create a dictionary using the dict keyword, that is dict2 equal to dict of. Now here you can provide the key value pair items. So here 4 and 4, also 5 and 5. Okay, I can close the parenthesis and close curly braces, close parenthesis. If I print dict2, you can see 4 5. So these are the two different ways how you can create a dictionaries in Python. Now let us see how you can get an element, or how you can retrieve the elements from the dictionary. So in order to retrieve from the dictionary, there are two ways you can retrieve, that is dict1, and you can open the square bracket and you can directly pass the key here. This is the one way. So for the dict1, the key, when you pass the key, then it is going to return you the value, that is 1. And second way is dict1 dot get, and you can pass the key value here. For example, if there is no key matching to this particular key in the given dictionary, then you can specify the default value also by using the second parameter of get method. So dot get, for example, I am trying to get the value of 10 key value for the key 10, but which is not available as part of this dictionary. So in that case, if it is not available, then if you want to print some default value, then like this, you by using this second parameter is basically for the default value of it. Okay, if there is no value there is no key found for the given value, then it is going to return the default value. Okay, so this is how you can retrieve the value. For example, if you want to add a new element, new item to the dictionary, then dict1 of, you can pass the key, what is the key you want to put. For example, I want to put 4, and you can assign the value 4. Now if I print the dict1, then you can see here 1 1 2 2 3 3 4. This is the newly added item to the dictionary. Okay, so like this you can add a new key, new item to the dictionary. Okay, next, if we want to the update the dictionary with the another dictionary, then we have the method for that, dict1 dot update, and you can pass the dict2. Now this time what it is going to do is, this time if you see here, 1 2 3 4 5, if you see the dict2, what we have, the dict2 is 4 comma item, we have the 4:4 and 5:5. So this is the value or items in the dict2. When you update it, it actually merged it two dictionaries and return the value out of in the dict1. Okay, so this is how you can merge two dictionaries. Now let us consider I want to get the only the keys. Then how we can get it? Dict1 um, dot keys. It is going to return whatever the keys only. And if you want to get the only the values, dict1 dot values, then it is going to return only the values. Now, for example, if you want to copy the dict1 to the some other dictionary, for example, dictionary 3, you want to copy the elements from dict1 to dict2, then dict1 dot copy. So this is going to copy the shallow copy of dict1 elements to the dictionary 2. Now if I print the dict3, you can see the whatever the values which are available in the dictionary 1, it is copied to the dictionary 3. Now another copy we have seen, for example, if you want to remove the particular key from particular item from the dictionary, then we have a method for that, dict1 dot, and here otherwise directly we have the keyword for the del, and then you can specify the which element, which item you want to remove. You provide the key. For example, here I want to remove the key 1. Then if I print the dict3 now, you can see first the key pair for the item 1 it has removed. Okay, for example, if you want to remove all the elements from the given dictionary, then da63 dot clear. This is going to remove all the elements from the dictionary. So dact3, if I print, right, it is going to empty. Now let us see what is the values in the dictionary 1. dact1, we have the 1 to 5 elements. Now let us consider if you want to remove the arbitrarily, if you want to remove some elements, then what you can do is dact1 dot pop, and then for pop you need to provide the key, dact1 dot pop. For example, I want to remove the first item, then it is going to remove the item 1, and if you print the dict1, now the item with the key 1 is removed from the dictionary. Okay, and then dact1 dot pop, we have pop item. So if I use the pop item randomly, it is going to remove one element from the given dictionary. If there is no value in the particular dictionary, then this method is going to throw the exception. Okay, so this is how you can remove the elements from the remove the items from the given dictionary. See, the next one is we are going to discuss on set default method. So for that what we can do is dict1, let me print the what is the values in dict1. So we have 2, 3, 4. Now dict1 dot set default, and here you can specify the key and what is the value of it. Value, let us say test. Okay, so now if I print this dict1, you can see that 8 is item 8 is added to the dictionary. Okay, so if we don't provide, for example, if we don't matching any key whenever we are providing here, it is going to store with the none value, that means default value. Okay, so in order to set the default value for the particular key, we are going to use the set default. For example, dict1 dot set default, and here I can set directly if I don't provide any for example, I am providing the key but I didn't provide any value. Then if I print the dict1, you can see here 10 value it is now. For the key 10, the value is none. Okay, so if you provide any default by using the default set default method, you can provide a value for the particular key, and that is going to be a constant. Otherwise, if you don't provide the any value, then that is going to be 9. And now let us see how we can iterate through the dictionaries. So in order to iterate through the dictionary, we can use the for loop for item in dict1, and then you can print the item. Now it is going to return you the keys. Okay, and similarly, so whenever you are using the default dictionary, then it is going to iterate through the only the keys. For example, if you want to iterate through the items, then for item in dict1 dot items, sorry, for item in dict1 dot items colon print item. This time what it happens is it is going to print the items. So this is how you can iterate through the given dictionaries. Now we have a concept called as a dictionary compression, or what you can call as a compression, dictionary compression. So what it means is, while you are defining the dictionary itself, dict2 equal to, you can runtime actually automatically you can create a dictionary using the range function. How it is? It is a, let us consider this is the key, and a star is going to be the value for that. Then for a in range, for example, if I say 10, okay, then I am closing the parenthesis. Now if I print the dictionary 2, then you can see that automatically it is printing the value. That means it is at runtime only it is going to create the dictionary based on the range function what we have specified here. This is called as in dictionary compression. Okay, so this is how you can create dictionaries at runtime. Hope you clear with the concept of dictionary, and if you have any questions, please comment on my YouTube video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more technical videos.